Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add Google Tasks for new files in Google Drive. So whenever a new file will be uploaded in Google Drive, a new task will be created in Google Task with that action. So we are going to create this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where the trigger will be the new file uploaded in Google Drive and our action will be to create a task for that file in our Google Task. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that how can you create a task in your Google Task every time a new file is uploaded in your Google Drive. So let us quickly sign in into our account. That will take me to this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see all the previous workflows created by me. But you have to create this workflow from scratch. So we are going to click on Create Workflow, a big blue button on your right side, and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Add Google Task for New Files in Google Drive. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Like you can see on your screen, you will find two major concepts of Pabbly Connect over here, trigger and action. Now before that, I must remind you that make sure you open your Google Drive over here and your Google Task along with your calendar so that you can cross-check your activity and also connect your accounts easily. So now let us understand the functioning of trigger and action over here. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where the event will take place manually. That is, we are going to perform. For example, we are going to upload a file on Google Drive, which will be the trigger of this workflow. And then the action application, that is Google Task, will create a task based on that specific file uploaded on Google Drive. That is, action application will automatically perform the assigned action. So let us choose our trigger application as Google Drive. And the trigger event will be new file. Click on Connect, add new connection, and as you all know that Google Drive is a Google application, so you have to sign in with your Google account. Choose your Google account over here and click on Allow. This is how you give access to Pabbly Connect to fetch the new file information whenever a new file is uploaded. When you click on Save and Send, Test Request. So let us go back to our Google Drive and upload a new file from here. File upload and then choose a file that you want to upload. Like I want to upload this assignment PDF over here. And see, on your bottom right corner, you can see one upload complete. So we'll find that one assignment over here. Once it's done, click on Save and Send Test Request. And you will receive the assignment one file over here. To scroll down, you will find all the details related to the user of the account and also the name of the assignment or all the other details related to that specific PDF over here. One thing that is important right here is the created date, the date on which this file is created. So which makes it very clear. See, this is the day, that is today's date and today's time. So which will make it clear that when is the due date of the task? 2-3 days later once this file is uploaded. For that we will put a date time formatter over here. Date time formatter, I am taking the case as the teacher has uploaded the file, assignment file on Google Drive, and then on Google Task, a task will be created that the assignment has to be submitted as mentioned in the PDF uploaded on Google Drive. And when you're supposed to submit the assignment, like this, the created date is today. So 3 days later, the Google Task is having the due date. So we are going to add time to the existing time. That is why we are using date time formatter. That is a feature built inside Pabbly. You can do any changes or format the date, time zone in a different way using this feature. Click on Connect. Since it is built inside Pabbly, no separate way of connection is required. First of all, you have to enter the date that you need to format. So you can search it over here by clicking in Search and Map Data and type over here Create Time. So this is the date you want to change. Now carefully study the format of the date, that this is an ISO 8601 format. So you have to make sure that you will change the format here as well. Now what is the expression? You can read it down here. You want to add hours, month or days. So you want to give 4 days to it. Like you will write plus 4 days, which means that this date will be added 4 more days and that will be the result of the final date. That is going to be the due date for our Google Task. So the format over here is this one. If you study it carefully, it has a Z in the end and T for time, which this format also has. So no change in the format should be there. Both to and from format will be same. Click on Save and Send Test Request and see the response will be having 22 May. Today is 18th May and it's 22 May. So 4 days have been added. So a due date is ready. Now click on this plus button, add one more action step and type over here Google Task. The event will be to create a task over here. Click on Connect and again it is Google application. So click on Add New Connection and sign in with your Google account. Choose your Google account over here and click on Allow. This is how you give access to Pabbly Connect to create a task in Google Task. Now what is the name of the list? So there is just one list, My Task, and we are going to create a task in that list only. What is the task title? So you can write over here Assignment 1. Okay, this is the task title. Note, so you can put the description of the assignment over here. Okay, so I have given little bit of instructions over here, and when it comes to due date, you see the format is same as we have changed. So we are going to take it from this result because this is the due date. The creation date was today and due date is 4 days later. So all of the fields are filled, no, nothing is left. So click on Save and Send Test Request and you will see that a task will be created. See, it is created over here. No error is shown, which means our workflow is completely correct. Close this window and this is the workflow. Let us go to our Google Task and check. Yes, this is the assignment. If you open the assignment, you see that the description is given over here and this is the name of the assignment and also the due date is given below it, which means that a task has been created with the help of this workflow. So every time the teacher uploads a new file on Google Drive about any project, assignment or any notes, so a task will be created according to that. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.